This is how to measure for Roman blinds outside the window recess. To do this, you'll need a measuring tape, a piece of paper and a pen. First, you'll need to measure the windowsill. If you don't have one, measure wall to wall inside the recess and add about 10 centimetres to either side. Don't forget to write down each measurement as you go. Next, you'll need to measure the height. Measure from where you would like to install the blind to the windowsill or to the bottom of the window if you don't have a windowsill. We recommend going about 30 centimetres above the window frame. And finally, you'll need the installation height. Measure from where you will install the blind to the floor. This means that we can make the chain the correct length. You can then pop your measurements into our online studio at www.stitched.co.uk to get a quote for your designs.